Hair fall, hair thinning, dandruff, and slow hair growth are problems that many of us deal with. But Ayurveda has been using natural remedies for healthy hair over centuries. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 Ayurvedic hair care products that help to grow your hair better and also deal with the dandruff and hair thinning. If you are interested, then keep on watching. The first product is Kerala coconut oil. Coconut oil is a classic Ayurvedic remedy known for nourishing the scalp and strengthening the hair. Regular oiling helps to reduce dryness, improve hair texture, and minimize breakage. And I choose coconut oil right from the God's own country so that it is natural, pure, and extracted in the right way. I like to massage it onto my scalp before washing my hair for deep nourishment. Next is the Avimee Shakuntala Daily Use Hair Cleanser. This Ayurvedic cleanser gently removes dirt and excess oil while helping maintain scalp's health. It leaves the hair feeling clean without making it dry or frizzy. I take head bath twice a week, but I still use this daily shampoo because it is very gentle and it cleans my scalp really well and it doesn't leave any residue on my scalp. My third favorite is the Avimee Scalptone Hair Growth Serum. This serum is something for those who want a scalp serum but a kind of natural serum. This lightweight non-sticky serum is specifically designed for people dealing with hair thinning and hair fall. It contains 5% Nansyl, a botanical complex that helps to reduce hair fall, supports healthier hair growth and improves overall hair density. I also love how lightweight and quick drying and easy to use every single day. Simply apply it directly onto your scalp and gently massage it in for best result. I use this every night before I sleep. The fourth product is Jovees Rosemary Water. Infused with the goodness of rosemary and Follicusan DP, this leave-in hair mist helps to refresh the scalp while supporting healthier and stronger looking hair. If you are someone who wants to use a ready-made rosemary hair mist, then I would highly suggest you this one because it is very lightweight and just feels like water on your scalp. It also tackles common concerns like hair fall, thinning of hair and dandruff. Since it is a lightweight leave-in formula, it is very easy to use. Just spray it directly onto your scalp and roots. I use this every morning. Last but definitely not least is my DIY Ayurvedic hair mask. I mix Bhringraj powder, Katha powder, Rita powder, Amla powder and Shikakai powder to create a nourishing treatment. Amla strengthens the hair, Rita and Shikakai gently cleanse the scalp while Katha powder improves overall hair health. Bhringraj improves the hair growth. I mix all of these powders with curd and water to make a paste and I apply it onto my scalp and hair and put a bun and leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it off with shampoo. Whenever my hair feels lifeless and dull, this is my go-to remedy. I use this mask once a week and this is my favorite DIY hair mask. I hope this video would have helped you in some way. If yes, then give this video a thumbs up and also do share it with your friends and family who are dealing with hair fall and slow hair growth problems. And I will leave all the links in the description box. Do check it out. Until then, next time, take care. Bye.